Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, good morning! How are we doing? Today is Saturday. I'm into the studio because I had to, Ruby left her bike here last night because we went to the beach to see the air show. So she went to work for a couple of hours, so I came down to the studio, give her the bike, and first I'll get my laptop, edit a vlog. I think the internet everywhere is a bit shit today. I don't think I have internet in the house, and the internet here is not even loading a video. It's interesting. It's interesting. Alright, while I'm sitting in the studio and I'm fixing lights and coming with a little lighting setup, all of a sudden the red arrows appeared. Are part of the air show that's happening over the weekend here in Bournemouth. And I can't, like, it's so bright today, my eyes hurt. You can't stay next to a window, it's ridiculous. And it's amazing. There are 9 jets that fly around in formation and do different loops and tricks and different stuff. Now we need more. There we go, there. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. I am putting lights up and one more there, but I need to fix one thing because, oh yeah, that's warming up. Yeah, it's good. That was brilliant. They make it hard in one point. I found this one. And because, by the way, it's ridiculous. Today is it's the Saturday of the air show. Look at that! It's ridiculous. We're literally on the cliff top, overseeing the beach, and we decided that it's a great thing to just come out here and enjoy the sun. But the ocean is ridiculous. It's like a look at that. Like all those people came from different corners of the universe just to witness something. And that is the air show. There's the destroyer. Hey Ruby.
Hey.
Hey Ruby.
Hey. Hey. You ready?
What?
I've never had watermelon.
What?
I know.
You never had a watermelon?
I've never had a watermelon, so I thought,
oh, you're crazy.
I can have a watermelon.
You're crazy. Alright, what can I do?
You can get the sharp knife out.
I'm gonna guess if that's in focus. Vaguely. That's not in focus.
Oh.
That's more in focus, I think. No. Your glasses are all sparkly, so I'm assuming you're in focus. Ready? What have you been doing?
Playing chess.
As you can see, we've been playing chess. You're ridiculous.
No!
Look at my thing! Look how cool is this? Awesome! Do you think it's awesome?
I think it's amazing. Do you know what? I'm noticing that the vlog's been decreasing in length. Maybe you can start vlogging a little bit too, just to fill up the blanks.
What, vlogging my day?
No, vlog around.
Oh, I see. Just taking the camera around. I can't take over your vlog. It's not documenting your 20s then, is it? It's documenting mine.
There's still my face on it.
Oh, I see.
Fucking badge. Alright, so after the picnic on the beach, it was lovely and amazing. We decided, you know what? British Bake Off. I never made muffins, so I'm making muffins. So that's happening at the moment in the oven. I was gonna say fridge. And we're sitting on the floor and she's crocheting.
Look how much crochet I've got. Loads of crochet. So much crochet.
And we're waiting for the muffins to be ready.
Make it. Bam! Oh, not in focus.
Oh, who's the plane?
Try again. Bam!
The plane that's supposed to be dropping the parachute people.
See?
Make it see it.
I thought you would see that on the camera. Yeah, you keep that thing there in focus.
Oh god, there we are. Uh-oh. Here he goes. And Alsevi says,
You're fucking amazing!
are they good?
Shut up!
Oh, that is pretty bloody good.
And the bottoms are really soft.
It's not like the same ones. No, I'll put more soda next time.
Put what? Next time?
Soda.
It's not like the American ones, but nice.